That's my best meters doing what they do. Look how they match up. Look how good they do. 20. Wait a minute. 18. Where we at? Oh, 1. Oh, we're good. Look how they match up, man. Let's see. 32. Wait a minute. Dang. Yeah, there it is. Look how they match up. Alright. There ain't no point in going higher. 2. 1.9. 1.9. That's my 3 best meters I base everything off of. Hmm. 12 volts. Oh, it's like right there. They're good. $18 volts. They're all off 0.001 or 2. That's crazy, man. This one's brand new. This one's like 5-6 months old. 2010, 1980 or 81, something like that. I mean, volts don't ever change, but you know, let's see. 12. Oh, wait a minute. Let's do car stuff. Hang on. 14.25. High voltage. If you was looking at a car's 12 volt system. Oh, look at that. That's nice. 1 volt. 1 volt. Oh man, that's beautimous. Beautimous. That's my 3 best meters. Alright, y'all. Wait a minute before we go to Brymen BM786, Fluke 8060A, and Fluke 189. All 3 are true RMS. 60,000 count, 20,000 count, 50,000 count. 50,000 count. Alright, y'all. Y'all have a good one.